Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. Guys, first of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you can see very pretty, very stylish, and very amazing looking trendy haircuts, hair dry coloring ideas, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, curly haircuts, hairstyles, and many more other types of pretty and trendy haircuts. So guys, please watch my video till the end so you can see very pretty and amazing looking short and long haircuts. Guys, if you are fashion lover and you always want to look very pretty, very stylish, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. In my videos, you can take a lot of ideas of trendy haircuts and hair dye coloring ideas. My videos will be very helpful for the ladies who want to look very pretty and very stylish in every event. You can also make your personality very beautiful and very gorgeous with these haircuts. Guys, you can share my video with your family and friends groups. I hope they will also like and enjoy my video. My videos will be very helpful for the ladies who want to look very beautiful. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel so I can make for you more beautiful and more stylish haircuts, hair dye coloring ideas, and many more other types of haircuts for beautiful and very amazing ladies. Guys, please hit the like button. Give me your opinions in comment section. Your feedback is very important for me. I always try to follow your instructions, your advices. So please comment in comment section and do support me by sharing my videos. Guys, in my video you can see very pretty haircuts. You can see the haircuts for round faces, oval faces, square faces. So you can choose the haircuts according to your face shape. All these haircuts are very popular nowadays. You can also make such type of amazing haircuts by your nearby salons. You can take a screenshot of your favorite one and you can look very beautiful and very stylish in these haircuts. You can also make such type of amazing haircuts and hair coloring ideas and make your hairs very beautiful. You can also see different types of curly haircuts. Curly haircuts also looks very beautiful and very pretty. Guys, please subscribe my channel for more beautiful, stylish and amazing videos. My YouTube channel is all about hair. You can take lot of ideas of haircuts. So you can subscribe my YouTube channel and can be look very beautiful in these haircuts. Guys, these haircuts are very easy to make, and most of the ladies love to choose such type of amazing and very pretty haircuts. I also love these haircuts. All are very stylish and trendy, and they all are very easy to styling. All these short and long haircuts look very pretty and beautiful, easy to comb. Guys, please watch my video till the end and share my video with your family and friends. I hope they will also like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can see very pretty and amazing looking haircuts. Guys, if you are a fashion lover and you always want to look very pretty, stylish, you can see my videos and choose the haircuts of your choice. Ladies who want to look very pretty and very stylish in every event, you can make these haircuts and make your personality very beautiful and very gorgeous. Guys, you can share my video with your family and friends groups. I hope they will also like my videos and enjoy my videos. Guys, please subscribe my channel so I can make for you more stylish and attractive videos. Guys, if you like my video, hit the like button, give me your suggestions, your opinions, because your opinions and suggestions are very important to me. I always try to follow your instructions and follow your advices. So please comment in comment section and do support me by sharing my videos. I will be very thankful for you on your opinions. Thank you very much guys for watching my video till the end. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye, take care.